CoinGeek.com is in London, reporting from the Bitcoin Association Wallet Workshop hosted by nChain. For the past 5 days, pioneers in the Bitcoin SV and payment space have been here collaborating. This is our recap on how things went. Why do you think it's important to emphasize why, events like this where everybody is really collaborating as opposed to fighting with each other?
Right. Well, this is one of the great advantages of Bitcoin SV is that we're all in agreement on the base protocol. The base protocol is set in stone. This is extremely valuable to businesses like everybody here at this event. So we're able to actually think about things that are at the layer above. It's how do we apply this protocol to solve problems that are all in our mutual interests. We've been extremely productive, basically coming up with standard after standard after standard of ways to collaborate. Probably the most interesting thing is actually just an improved version of BIP70 for people that are familiar with that. It's basically just a way to allow all the different wallets to interact with one another in a way that's just going to make the user experience better for everybody.
Now, because we've got probably a majority of the wallet ecosystem here, and everybody on board with this idea, and they're all very keen to get back and start implementing it, that's going to create a huge amount of momentum within the Bitcoin SV ecosystem, and it's probably one of the biggest achievements I think that we've seen so far in Bitcoin SV's history.
It seems like we're all focused on putting products out there, things that can be actually useful to people. So just getting solutions in the hands of end users is kind of what's important to most of the people here. And to that end, having that same goal, the same vision is really helpful to just move things in the same direction, I think.
From this meeting, I've been able to come up with some ideas that are really going to improve how CentBee works and make sure that it really does become the world's favorite wallet.
Excellent. If you had to kind of summarize what everyone here will take away in terms of the group as a whole, yes. Can you share with us a couple of line items from that?
Yes, I think historically, when it's come to these sorts of discussions, a lot of people always have antagonistic views, and they always bring them up. But what was quite distinctive about this gathering was that we were all very eager to work together and come up with solutions, and also understanding that we are an ecosystem, and we need to be able to work together and collaborate and find ways that we can actually grow that ecosystem so we can, in fact, have successful businesses.
What are your thoughts on having events like this in the future, getting everyone together with the Bitcoin Association and with nChain?
Well, I initially was planning on this event maybe being a once or twice a year event. In the course of the last few days, I've upgraded that to four times a year, and I've already been in touch with the sponsors of this event and made that suggestion. They're 100% on board with it as well. So we've made so much progress in this week just by having everybody in one room. Next time maybe we'll cast the net wider and have more people participating. But I want to see more of this progress because it helps Bitcoin SV move forward in leaps and bounds.
We hope you enjoyed our wrap-up of the Bitcoin Association Wallet Workshop. For more Bitcoin coverage and exclusive interviews in this space, subscribe to CoinGeek.com.